Hello, I'm Milford's Mayor Ben Blake. I'm here with Deepa Joseph, our Director of Health. We're here to talk about Milford's response to the coronavirus and some of the questions that continue to come up within the community. One question that keeps coming up is, does social distancing actually work?
So social distancing definitely works. And if we look across the country where we're seeing cases and we're starting to see the flattening of that curve, that is largely due to social distancing and people really practicing that, staying at least 6 feet apart. So we definitely know that it works, and it's important to keep following that, to keep flattening that curve and head towards that downward spiral.
Question number 2, if social distancing really works, then why do our test numbers keep going up?
So our cases are increasing. We see that on a day-to-day basis, but an important thing to remember is that 14-day period that we were talking about right from the beginning, a lot of the cases that we're seeing now may have had their exposure 2 weeks ago or so, when maybe the social distancing efforts were not as stringent as they are now. So that is part of the reason that we're still seeing that increase in cases, but with more stringent measures and more people really taking those social distancing measures to heart and practicing them and staying at home and staying safe, the more we're going to get to that downward slope in that curve.
Awesome. Question number 3, are there enough test kits available for everyone who wants a test?
So while there aren't enough test kits for everyone who just wants to be tested to just know if they've been exposed or if they have it, there are more tests available for those people who are symptomatic as the priority, and the state is working on continuing to increase the availability of tests to get more people tested. That is definitely going to be key as we move forward in this, to be able to get our testing up and continue to do our contact tracing to be able to really slow down this virus in the way that it needs to be slowed.
So stay healthy. We're in this together.